Hello students, today we will start our first chapter, Nutrition in Plants. In this chapter we will discuss about the kinds of nutrition in the organism and its importance. So let us start the chapter. So first question arises that why this nutrition is important for us. As we are knowing, for doing all the life process means for the talking, for growth, for reproduction, and there are the many process, there are the many activities which we are doing in everyday life. So for doing all the activities, this energy is required, and we are getting the energy through nutrition. Now we have to discuss about the nutrition. That means what is the nutrition? So nutrition means the process of taking food inside the body and utilizing it. Means when we are eating the any substance, so first we are taking the food inside the body, then we are digesting it, then after the digestion we are getting the some important materials, and that materials will absorbed by the body, and then that important materials will utilized by the body. So this energy we are getting in the form of food, we are taking in the form of food. So now the definition of food is given here. Food are substance from which an organism derives energy and material for growth and maintenance. Now we have to discuss that what we are getting from nutrition. From the nutrition we are getting nutrients. So what is the nutrients? Nutrients are the proteins, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, minerals, and so many things. So these are the important, these are the necessary for the proper growth and development of body. Next heading is mode of nutrition. There are the two kind of nutrition. One is the autotrophic and another one is the heterotrophic. Autotrophic means, as it is given here, auto means self and trophic means nourishment. Means those organisms which are taking their food or which are preparing their food by themselves are called as the autotrophs, and the kind of nutrition is known as the autotrophic nutrition. And the example of autotrophs are the green plants. As we are knowing, green plants are having the green pigment that is called as the chlorophyll, and in the presence of the chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, plants are making their food. And these plants are also called as the producers because they are producing the food for us, for the means they are producing the food for the consumers. That's why green plants are called as the producers. Next heading is heterotrophic nutrition. In the heterotrophic nutrition, those organisms are coming which are not able to make their own food. They depend on the other organism for their nutrition. Means all the animals which cannot make their own food and they depends on the other organism for their nutrition is called as the heterotrophs, and the nutrition is called as the heterotrophic nutrition. Examples are the animals, humans. So we are the heterotrophs, means we cannot make our food. Even we are cooking the food, but it is not a kind of the making the food. Cooking and making both are the different thing. So humans are just cooking the food. So that's why we are not the autotrophs. Now the heterotrophic animals can be of three types: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores means green plants eating animals like cow, buffalo, goat, and elephant. Means those animals which are eating the green plants and their products are called as the herbivores. Examples are given here. Next one is the carnivores. Carnivores are the flesh eating animals. Means those animals which are eating the flesh are called as the carnivores. Example is the tiger, lion, etc. Third type is given omnivores. So there are the some animals which can eat both plant and animal as well as flesh. These are called as the omnivores. Examples: humans, crow, cockroach. Humans are also eating the vegetables, fruits, and humans are also eating the flesh. So that's why humans are the omnivores. Like crow is also the omnivores and cockroach is also the omnivores. Now here some questions are given. So today we will discuss this question also. Here the first question is given: what do the herbivores eat? What do the herbivores eat? So as we have discussed earlier, herbivores eat the green plants or the plant's product. Second question: name the two main type of nutrition. So there are two type of nutrition, is the autotrophic nutrition and the heterotrophic nutrition. What is the color of pigment found in the producer? Producer means green plants or autotrophs. So green plants are having the pigment and the color of that pigment is the green. Fourth question: name the process through which autotrophs prepare their food. So autotrophs are preparing their food through photosynthesis. Through photosynthesis means photosynthesis is a process through which green plants are making their food in the presence of carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, and chlorophyll. Fifth, which type of heterotrophs are humans, crow, bear, and cockroach? So humans, crow, and all these examples are fall in the category of omnivores. So about the photosynthesis we will discuss in the next class. In the last, I want to say, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.